In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open the Google Chrome profile selector. This is the quick built-in way to see all your Chrome profiles in one place so you can switch between work, personal, school, or guest browsing without mixing up bookmarks, history, extensions, or passwords. It takes just a couple of clicks, and once you know where to look, you'll use it all the time. Start with Chrome open on your computer. Move your eyes to the very top right corner of the Chrome window next to the address bar. You're looking for the profile button. It might show your picture, your initials inside a circular icon, or a simple silhouette. On some setups, it appears as a small button with a colored circle. Go ahead and click that profile button. When you click it, Chrome opens a small panel. This panel is your profile hub inside the browser. You'll see your current profile at the top, plus a few helpful shortcuts. What we want is the command that opens the full selector window. Look for the option labeled Manage Profiles. Depending on your version, it may also appear as Manage Profile or Manage People. The wording can vary, but the function is the same. Click that. The moment you click Manage Profiles, Chrome opens the profile selector window. This is the dashboard that displays each profile as a tile. From here, you can visually pick which profile you want to use, and each one keeps its own tabs, bookmarks, saved logins, and extensions separate from the others. This separation is great for staying organized and avoiding cross-account mix-ups, especially if you share a computer or juggle multiple roles. A few quick tips to make this smoother. If you don't see the profile button at first, expand your Chrome window from a very narrow size or exit full screen mode. The button can be hidden when space is tight. On Windows, macOS, and Linux, the button lives in the same top right area, so the steps are identical. If the wording doesn't match exactly, choose the option that mentions managing profiles or people. And if the selector doesn't appear, try clicking the profile button again and reselecting the manage option to bring it forward. That's all there is to it. Click the profile button, then click Manage Profiles, and the selector window opens right away. With this in your toolkit, switching contexts is fast, clean, and mistake-free. Thanks for watching, and feel free to pause and practice these 2 clicks so it becomes second nature.